Hello, in today's video I'll tell you how to fix the THERMOMIX TM6 scale not working properly. The scale is built into the feet of the device. Once I move the camera a little bit, you should see there's a foot and there are 2 feet on the back. Now, they work as a scale, so make sure to clean the debris from under the feet. Make sure your machine is level on a flat, non-slippery surface that will prevent it from measuring incorrectly. Also, free the power cord. If the power cord is plugged in too far, it may make the scale. If it's just if it's pulling the machine, then you may want to free the power cord. Also make sure it's not trapped somewhere under the machine, and then also make sure not to touch the device while waiting, because as you can see, if I go to the scales, then if I touch the machine here, it still weighs. So you shouldn't touch the machine. And also it's normal if it does like a little variation of a few grams, from if there's nothing in it, it should be somewhere in between -2 and +2 grams. That's a little error margin, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.